ASUS ROG Ally 2 or Steam Deck 2. Two next-gen beasts battling for handheld supremacy. Who's faster? Who's sleeker? Who's worth your hard-earned money? Let's dive in. In the rapidly evolving handheld PC market, 2025 brings huge leaps forward. ASUS just announced the ROG Ally 2, packing the Ryzen Z2 Extreme, up to 64 GB of RAM and whopping 2 to 4 TB SSDs. TechPowerUp.com. +8. Reddit.com. +8. YouTube.com. +8. PCGamiaSN.com. +4. As.com. +4. TechPowerUp.com. +4. Valve is hard at work on the Steam Deck 2, rumored to feature a 900p 90Hz OLED screen and performance upgrades, though still Zen 2 class, with a release possibly in late 2025 or beyond. WindowsCentral.com. +5. Tom'sGuide.com. +5. Tom'sGuide.com. +5. So today, we compare what these devices offer, and what it means for you. ROG Ally 2 is expected to launch by end of 2025, likely shipping from Computex onward. Steam Deck 2 is still in development. Valve says no Zen 2 successor until, at least next year. +8. en.wikipedia.org. +8. Tom'sGuide.com. +8. Most analysts expect late 2025 or even 2026. YouTube.com. +15. PCGamiaSN.com. +15. WindowsCentral.com. +15. So ASUS gets the head start, as usual in handheld cycles. Valve's careful, but later arrival means more polished base. How that timing plays out is key. ROG Ally 2 rumored to have a 9.5 1080p OLED at 1610 with sleek industrial design, weighted around 600 to 700 G. +8. Reddit.com. +8. TechRadar.com. +8. Steam Deck 2, speculated to keep the same chassis but trim edges, possibly larger screen, 7.78, weight still around 670 G. +12. Tom'sGuide.com. +12. WindowsCentral.com. +12. ASUS leans flashy but ergonomic, Valve refined and console-like. Expect smoother grips on Steam Deck. Ally 2 sticks to its compact, but may push display size boundaries. For prolonged sessions, comfort and weight matter. Displays. Ally 2, 9.5 FHD OLED, 1610, best-in-class clarity, brightness, VRR support. Rumored 900p OLED, 90 Hz, similar HDR, but smaller than Ally 2. Internals. Ally 2 Z2 Extreme, Zen 5, 8 cores/16 threads, RDNA 3.5 GPU, 16 CUs, 64 GB RAM, 2 to 4 TB SSD. en.wikipedia.org. +6. TechPowerUp.com. +6. PCGamiaSN.com. +6. Deck 2, stays Zen 2/Zen 2 Plus, maybe 8-thread CPU, RDNA